Welcome back to the real crypto space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Quant.
Welcome back to the real crypto space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Quant today. As you guys know, this is not financial advice, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
So as you can see, it has quite a high price for an altcoin, and but as you see, the market cap is actually quite low for a price like this at $285. But if you don't know, its all-time high was actually 440 something. Yeah, it was $428. So for the amount to go back into the Quant, for it to go back to that price, we would only need another $1.3 billion to flow into the market. Considering there's only already 3.4 billion, and 1.3 billion isn't too much for it to break its all-time high if you think about it. And we still have 17% of the coins to be released into the circulating supply. So there'll be more to buy up. Therefore, the price will go up from that as well, in the long term anyway, not short term. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to say from Coinmarketcap.
So as you guys can see on our website, so Quant is connecting all the world's distributed ledgers for faster and more efficient growth. And if you want to watch the video, you can do that on our website. And it's also the world's first DLT gateway for businesses. It also over Ledger will help you ensure that your business is ready. Universal interoperability, enterprise oriented, fixed for future.
So as you can see, it's basically just a coin that is helping other businesses um, go into crypto. So it's for central banks, fintechs, trading, consortia, closed loop payments, marketplaces, and micropayment platforms. So basically, so they can start minting the tokens. So here it is. How does it work? Funds are held in escrow with a financial institution, and tokens to the same value are issued, so minted on a private DLT. These funds can be used on any DLT or mixture of DLTs, public or private, and Quant patented multi-ledger token technology is applied. This ensures that whenever the tokens are used, changes of ownership are recorded on the DLT and a clear auditable record is maintained. The nature of MLT means that the tokens are open and can be used on new and different DLTs as they emerge or as use cases grow. This opens up the walled gardens of many e-money solutions. So this is actually helping companies go into the future. Basically, this is helping Web3 actually evolve into place. This is how it will all come together. So minting multi DLT stablecoins from fiat funds, and this is something we really need in the eco space. So this is great.
So as you guys can see here, they have been announcing all of us about what's been developing, and it's just a massive list of everything that's been happening. So if you do want to be notified, you can put your email, and they will also send you news that's also been happening. So if you want to get involved, that's something I'd recommend you guys to do. Yeah.
And as you can see, this is what the Overledger 2.1 is actually doing, which was recently actually released. So basically, all it's doing is it's more robust, more more robust, scalable, and user friendly. Um, So all the multi-DLT applications will be able to use our distributed network of remote connected gateways around the world to carry out transactions on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. And this is really great to see, like, for the future, 100%. This is such a great attribution to Web3 development, which is what we're looking for. So yeah. But this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button, and yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.